If you want to achieve a clean girl makeup look with a touch of soft glam, then this video is for you. Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, a round of applause for you. Kindly subscribe. Yeah, let's get right into the video. I'll start by moisturizing my face really well. It's important to make sure every part of your face is properly moisturized. I massage the product into my skin for an even finish, then allow to sit for about 2 minutes. Next, I apply my primer. I'm using the Adventure Oil Control Base Primer. I apply a generous amount, massage into the skin, and allow to sit for another 2 minutes so the makeup grades properly. For foundation, I'm using foundation in shade 25. I apply to the back of my hands first and pick it up with a foundation brush. This helps me to avoid so much product, and I also blend using circular motions for a smooth finish. Next is concealer. I am using a concealer 2 shades lighter than my skin tone for a bright under eye. I apply a small amount to the inner and outer corners of my eyes, and I blend immediately to prevent creasing. I repeat the same process for the other side of my face. I also apply concealer under my mouth and I blend. I apply above my lips and I also blend immediately, and I apply my T-zones, blending right away using my beauty sponge. To set my face, I use my setting powder. I pick it up with a triangle puff, dab off the excess and gently press it into the areas where I applied concealer. This helps the makeup without heavy baking. For contour, I use the V Beauty powder in shade Ebony. I apply it to my lower cheeks and around my forehead near the hairline. If you apply too much, don't worry, you can always soften it later with powder. I brush my brows with a spoolie, then outline them with my Milani eyebrow pencil. I use gentle strokes and avoid shading at this stage. I repeat the same process for the second brows. I just use the eyebrow pencil to fill in sparse areas. To clean up the brows, I use my Adventure concealer and my angle brush to outline and clean up the brows, and then I drag gently outwards. I drag the concealer gently outwards, as you can see in the video. Then I blend with my concealer buffer brush. For the top of my brows, I use a concealer that matches my skin tone. Then I clean it up using my angle brush, following the line I outlined with my eyebrow pencil. Then I set the under of my brows and the top of my brows with a powder that is exactly my skin tone. To prep my eyelids, I apply a concealer that matches my skin tone, and then I use my beauty sponge to blend in very well. And then I set lightly with powder. You can see that in this video it looks very different from the other eyelid, and this is a very good hack if you want your eyeshadow to pop out well and more. My camera went off while I was applying the eyeshadow, but I used a warm toned eyeshadow for a soft natural look. I gently line my waterline with my black MAC eye pencil. I spray my setting spray to melt everything together, and I allowed to dry. I apply mascara to my natural lashes to help the false lashes blend together. This is to prevent any coily natural lashes that will hinder the false lash application. This hack helps me to straighten the natural lashes so that I will have a seamless false lash application. For the false lashes application, I apply lash glue to the false lashes, and then I allow it to dry and get tacky. Then using my tweezers, I slightly place them above my natural lashes, and then I use my tweezers to first put the natural lashes and the false lashes together. I go back in with my V Beauty powder to softly blend my entire face and remove any harsh lines that might have been created. To add warmth and color, I apply blush using a blush brush and blend until I'm happy with the intensity of the color. I also add a little blush on the tip of my nose. I line my lips with a Davis lip pencil. Then I blend it into the lips. I apply a nude lipstick to the already lined lips, and then I blend my lips together. Finishing with the lips, I go in with a clear gloss to give it a glossy feel. I add a subtle highlighter to my cheekbones, my T-zones, and the ends of my brows. Finally, I use a loose white powder to brighten my under eye and other highlighted areas. And that's it, a clean girl makeup look with a little touch of soft glam. Kindly like, subscribe, comment and share this video. I'll see you in the comments, and kindly comment the types of makeup look you want to see me do this year. Ciao ciao.